So my name is Zoe Burr, and today I'm doing my YouTube channel. So let's open this up. And this is like...
Let me see. The next one, it tells you on the next one where it's from.
Yeah.
Oh, from Colombia.
Yeah.
The other side, baby.
Snack.
Crate.
Yeah, snack.
Chévere. No, the other side. Put it up. Yeah, Colombia. Okay. Let's get the tasting started.
Yeah. So, there's this. Okay. Let's unpack this. Ooh. Looks like we have some things. Let me get them out. They look so cool. There's some more big things.
Just put them on the table and then just put the box on the floor. You didn't get stickers this time?
Huh?
You didn't get stickers?
No. Did we have one of these as the first one?
Maybe, but it was a different country.
Yeah. Wait, it's from countries?
Yes, they're different countries.
I thought it was from not a country. I thought it was from a place.
You're so funny. Oh well, this one has a lot of snacks.
Yeah, I thought it would be so little, but there's a lot actually. Is there any more?
Just let me see.
Oh yeah, there's some more.
Put them on the table. You could just put the box on the floor.
Oh man, I think I can't hold it.
Okay, put that on the
There's
on
no
the floor.
more. There's no more. Oh dear. Here it comes. I thought there was. Oh man. Okay, I have an idea. First, let's put everything on the table. Then let's start eat.
Let's start the tasting. Okay, whatever you think is best.
Okay, so everything's on the table. Let's try things. So first, I'm going to try this. This kind of looks like bacon.
Oh, taste it? Oh, never mind. Let me see the front of the bag.
It kind of tastes like Takis.
La niña. Like some bad Takis. All right.
So that was kind of... I think we have one of things.
Those look like cookies.
Yeah, they do. Okay. I'm just making a mess now.
It's okay. We can sleep after. That's a big cookie. What is it? Something cocoa. What does it taste like?
Coconut.
Oh, coconut. Okay.
Give me the scissors. I want to try this.
Let me see the front. No, turn it around.
Oh, that's it.
They look like gummies. Okay, open it.
I think it is.
Like sour gummies.
Ow. I can try it. I think they're like animal gummies.
That's a big gummy.
Yeah. Oh, there's one sticking. Maybe I could just... Oh my god. Okay, let me just leave it like that.
Yeah, I think it was all together.
Yum.
Looks like a watermelon.
Yeah, I like it. We're gonna put it back in here.
Okay.
Because there's too many snacks, so we have to finish this quickly.
Okay.
Don't you guys remember, like, the third one? It was
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it was. But we have more snacks than this now. I think it's going to be...
I think it
Right.
varies like on the country. It looks like onion rings. What is that?
It's this. I
Cebado.
can't bite it and I taste it and it's hard to eat and it's disgusting.
Oh, never mind. So far we only like one then. Two actually. Dos tacos. Dos tacos.
See.
A ver, ábrelo.
Okay. Oh. Smells good. I
Oh,
hope
ese
it
es
tastes
picante. The spicy.
good. Actually really good.
Oh, nice. Next.
Okay. Oh my god, it's chocolate.
What was it? It was melting?
No.
Oh, it's like a big chocolate sandwich.
It's actually really good.
Oh, wow.
So far, I like 3. And I'm going to try this. I hope I like it.
Let me see the front of it.
There's only a little.
Oh, okay. Taste it and see what it is.
Kind of hard to get it. Ew, it tastes like nothing. Oh yeah, it tastes like nothing.
Wow. And then you put it back in the bag. In the bag.
I'm not eating it. Blech. It kind of looks like sushi.
Sushis?
Yeah.
A ver, ábrelo.
Okay.
Let's taste what that is. Maybe it's not sushi.
I hope it's not. I don't like sushi.
Sushi?
Yeah. Ugh.
It's like a chocolate.
Oh yeah.
See, it's not sushi.
But it's kind of hard to eat it. Cause like it's hard.
Okay, next.
There's 2. I'm not trying both of them.
Okay, just try one.
Remember the last time?
Mm-hmm.
And it was the same.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not trying it.
Those lollipops and those candy you could leave towards the end because you're not going to like lick them and then put them back. You know what I mean? Oh, another chocolate. Oh, wow, they look hard to bite.
I don't like it.
Okay, just leave it there.
They're both the same, I think so. I'm not eating the other one.
What's that green wrapper?
You mean this one?
Yeah,
Another one.
another chocolate.
And these again.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you're done.
Yeah.
So, a lot of these snacks were good, no? Okay. Well, till next time, right?
Bye.
Bye. Give her a thumbs up.
And subscribe to my channel or don't subscribe to my channel. Bye.